So this is my video summary on my £200 gift card that I got from Go Mystery Shopping. We bought a number of items at ASDA Milton in Dundee. It's a pretty big store. We managed to buy 41 different items across a range of products. Overall, the store wasn't too bad. I mean, just due to this coronavirus thing, the store's kind of a wee bit messy. It was a wee bit dirty in the foyer on the outside as we went in. As you go in, it's quite clear to see. To the right there's the clothing, straight in front there's kind of household goods, and then to the left there's all the groceries and things like that. All the staff are brilliant. They're really friendly, especially because of what's going on. And actually, all the shelves and things like that were pretty bare. But with everything that's going on, it's kind of understandable. They're kind of messy as well. However, because of the staff and how good they were, especially when I asked them where things like the mops were and things like that, I rated it a 4 out of 5 because of everything that's going on. They're doing really, really well. And the number of products we bought, so great value for money, I would have said. All the products are pretty good. Well made, things like that. And we bought things like a kettle, bread bin, tea and coffee, dressing gowns, a couple of bits of clothing, a couple of things for the dog, like dentist sticks, things like that. So a great range of products. And so all in all, I would say pretty good store. I hope this is a good video, and thank you very much for giving me Go Mystery Shopping. Love you. Bye.